I stopped drinking alcohol. I moved on to Lipton iced tea.
For the younger people. Drink water.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
What up, guys? It's your boy, Luey G, back at it again. We got Leon Kev. It's been a minute since he's been back.
Yo, what's good, what's good?
Today we're going to be doing the top fall essentials that every guy, and this also applies to women too, all the fall essentials that you guys need. We're going to review every single one of them, and we're going to show how you looks on body. So, anything else you want to say? Just get right into it.
Just get right into it.
Let's go. So the first fall essential piece.
Wait, please tell me it's not what I think it is.
What?
Those sneakers.
Nah, it's not. It's not the checkerboard.
Oh, okay.
Yo, by the way, if you like the checkerboards, drop a like. It's gonna be the skate highs for the fall. I feel like this is a really good sneaker, especially for the fall. It's a mid top.
No comment.
You don't like these?
I don't like those.
You don't like these?
I don't like the high tops.
These are mids though.
Or mid tops or what? Well, those.
You can't be rocking like lows though, like when it's like snowing and stuff like that. Like,
oh yeah, of course, I know that.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
just wear some boots.
Yo, this is a good fall essential. This is a good switch up. You know, on this channel, I always talk about Vans, and I always recommend Vans.
Yes, I know. I mean, if you're a person who likes these type of Vans, I mean, they look nice, I guess. Me personally, I don't like them.
These are a pair of like some distressed denim.
But then again, I own a pair of high top Vans. Like the OG ones. You know which one I'm talking about? Like they look mad. Like you ever seen that the ones that like Usher would wear?
Oh, oh god, no. Oh. Insert Usher picture. Like distressed jeans, these will look good too. Honestly, I recommend wearing these with like some distressed denim and a flannel. It's a good look for me for the fall. Pretty dope.
Honestly, flannel for fall is perfect.
But this is a good switch up. So number one essential, I just want to switch it up a little bit. Is going to be the Vans mid top. I approve. Kevin doesn't, but he does approve though. That is a good look. It's just
it is a good look.
It's just not for him.
Yeah, it's not for me. But you see me wear these, I look stupid.
This is a good look. I like this. I will drop a link where you guys can cop this. Obviously the Vans website, but if I do find it cheaper, I will post a link down below because I got you guys. So first piece on the list is going to be the Vans mid top.
Posts Payless shoes.
Insert Crocs.
The next essential thing is shirts.
It's gonna be t-shirts and long sleeve t-shirts, preferably graphics.
You got this nice Adidas, you know.
You would wear this under like a flannel. I think that would be pretty dope, pretty solid look.
Or some Nike sweats, you know.
Please don't.
For all the people who hate Lewis, wear these with Nike sweats.
The cross-branded video is gonna pop up on the side of the video.
Yeah, if you didn't check that out, watch that right now.
Go watch that right now.
Right now. Stop the video, watch it, come back. You know, Vans have some really, really nice shirts.
Highly recommend their long sleeve t-shirts for the fall or the winter. Really dope, really good material. And also you got some designs right here on the side. Really dope. They run you about $25 each. So it's honestly really not that bad.
On it, well, sometimes they have like some sales going where it's like you get 3 shirts for $20.
At the outlets, highly recommend.
Yeah, that's where me and Lewis be going all the time.
I'm cheap all the time. They're just regular Vans, like long sleeve with the beige on the side, navy blue. I thought this was a really good look. I honestly bought these to layer under like my jackets and stuff, and also you could just wear them regular. It's a pretty good look, and like I said, they run you $25 each. Material's good, and it's just overall pretty dope. Vans is probably the #1 like t-shirt brand I'd probably wear all the time. So coming in at number 3 for the third type of essential that you need for the fall, got a pair of jeans and zipper pants. All 3 of these are fun packs.
But I have a question though. Is it Gucci?
I wish.
Don't talk to me.
So the first pair of jeans we have is the stacked skinny black moto jeans with the distress on them. Right here coming down the side.
I'm poor.
I'm poor.
I'm broke, okay? Like I said, I'm gonna start a GoFundMe for every $1 that you guys send me. If 1,000 of you send me $1, I'll have $1,000.
Oh,
So please go support me in my time of need.
jeans we have the same thing, but this one is going to be a lighter wash. Not too much distressing on this one, but still pretty good. I feel like the Moto jeans look is a pretty good look for the fall. It's pretty dope.
Yeah.
Since these are a light wash, obviously you wear like light colors with it. You don't really wear anything like too dark with it, obviously.
Yeah. I'd say wear like a nice.
Some clean white Vans.
They look nice though.
They're pretty dope. I'm rocking a pair right now, but this is the second pair I own from PacSun. I got these for 15 bucks on sale. They're pretty dope. If you're not really into skinny jeans, they do offer in slim. I know other brands have mimicked this style. This is honestly a Fear of God inspired type of style. You know, obviously I can't afford the Fear of God ones, so you know, because YouTube don't pay me yet, so I gotta get the PacSun ones.
Wait, when they start paying it, I swear to God, I'm gonna be wearing Gucci all the time.
The very last piece, because we're gonna keep it at 4. It's gonna be type of jackets you need for the fall. It's gonna be 5. 4 I own. The last one I will talk about. I don't own that one yet because I just haven't had a chance to buy it.
Which one?
The Parka.
Ooh.
Oh, insert picture.
Various types of colors: black, green, olive. Wait.
Parka's a dope.
I wanna buy a pair.
I like an orange one. Orange one's pretty dope for the fall. Like a light orange.
You know, orange is my favorite color.
Orange.
But I can't go with orange. I need to go with something that goes with like.
Everything.
Yeah, because you can't get an orange coat and then expect like every pair of jeans to go with it.
You can wear it with like some light wash and some white shoes.
Yeah, but then it'll look weird when you wear some dark wash. You'll look like you're ready for Halloween.
It depends the type of orange though. It depends the type of shade. The first one we got is the Anorak. I don't know if you own one.
Yes, I do.
You don't? You own an Anorak?
Yeah, the military one. Remember?
By the way.
Upset.
I got this from last year. I wear this all the time. It's an olive color. It's pretty dope. It has like a little kangaroo pouch on it on the middle, and it also has adjustable drawstring right here, so you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. It's pretty dope. It has the half-line zipper right here, coming straight down the middle. It's pretty good. I mostly wear this when it's like raining. You don't really want to wear this when it's super cold out because it's really not going to protect you at all.
It depends on which one you get.
Yeah, honestly, there are some that are like more heavy material, but this is more of like a lighter one. But yeah, just the first jacket's Anorak, really good look. Second one, we got the Vans Coach jacket. Kevin owns one as well. I got the beige type-ish color, off-white color I would say maybe. Pretty good look. I wore this in the Yeezy video.
It's in the intro.
it is in the intro. You're right. Pretty good look. This will run you about $54.95. It's a little pricey, but it's a really good look. Coach jackets are really dope for the fall.
Everyone owns a pair of this. If you don't own a pair with this, then you're living in a rock.
Very sacred denim jacket, man. This one is actually from Forever 21. I know, surprisingly, I don't really talk about Forever 21 too much on this channel. Just because number one, their clothes are it's really terrible quality. Like, it's very super cheap. You're gonna get the look down, but when it comes to quality, it's really terrible. Like, you'll buy a t-shirt, you'll wash it once, and it's done. That's it.
Yeah, I remember wearing, like, what was it? Forever 21 used to be like that store to go.
Oh man.
Back in high school.
Second to last jacket for the fall, we got.
Also, again, everyone owns this, like literally.
But you know what the thing with this is though? Even though everybody owns this, it's still okay to wear this.
No, it is. It's really nice. It's real. I still wear mine.
I own 2.
And I'll probably buy like more during this fall because it's been a big hit. In my opinion, for like about
4 years now.
4 years, right?
4 years.
Yeah, 4 years. If you guys don't know what it is, it's the bomber jacket.
I recently picked this one up at H&M. This one cost me $34.95 at H&M.
Yeah, that's how much they go. $34.99, if I'm not wrong.
The thing with bomber jackets is it does depend what type of material you're looking for. This one is more of like it's more of like a thinner material. If you're looking for like a more heavy set material, I would recommend maybe
it's like a windbreaker type.
Yeah,
material.
basically like that. Bomber jackets are very essential for the fall. Really good look. You can wear them with some long sleeve t-shirts. You can wear it with a regular t-shirt. You can also wear it over a hoodie. Dope look.
Just remember, this is our opinion. You know, clearly we have problems.
you can disagree. That's fine. Just like the video.
Yeah, honestly, comment down below like what other type of brands or product you would use during the fall. I'm kind of interested. I wonder if you were.
Oh yeah, I want to know what people are wearing.
And if you guys have anything in particular that you want us to cover, just let us know. Comment down below again. You know.
Just drop a big old like. Drop a comment.
Yeah, we'll read. you know, we got nothing better to do.
Pretty much wraps it up. I'll catch you guys later on next time, and next video, hopefully Kevin will be in it too. Because I know you guys missed him. It's been a minute since he's been in the video.
Hello.
He's mostly behind the scenes filming everything.
Word, I've been replaced actually by his girl, you know. Yo, if you're watching this,
She's gonna be watching.
yeah, I know she is. Watch your back. I got important texts. I got some texts from him, alright?
I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
Long sleeve.
You also got the graphic on. Who the fuck is calling?
God damn it, cut the video.
Who the fuck is?
Where's my latte?
Fuck is this?
Stop the video.
Hello? Fuck off.